It's time to give yourself the loving support that you are seeking from outside of you. Ask for help if you need it, but remember that self care is the most healing medicine of all. If your body is going through some kind of changes, surrender and be unconditionally present with that process. The universe is asking you to be completely honest and real with yourself and others. A lot of the deceptions may be uncovering. So keep clear communication and double check things and make sure that you have all the information to keep things honest and secure. Rise of the divine feminine is taking place, which means that the universe is encouraging you to go within, introspect, get connected with your intuition, with your heart, and be in the flowing state and not forcing. But I also feel that this means to stand up in your own personal power and own all that you are, to have clear boundaries with others and not letting anyone cross those boundaries for yourself. It's also the time to let go of anything that is blocking you from focusing on abundance or anything that is blocking your forward movement. Expand yourself. Expand and open yourself to new unexplored horizons that will help in your expansion. In short words, think outside the box. This isn't a good time to travel or journey outside of you. Ask yourself, how can you go on a journey within your own self and get connected more to your spirit. Keep communicating clearly with others and avoid making any kind of rash or hurried decisions. Surrender and let go if things do not go your way. Your higher self is asking you to quiet your mind and listen to your intuition, to the inner guidance that you are receiving in the form of intuitive hits. Get connected more with your spirit and you'll receive all the answers that you need through this connection. Focus on opening and balancing your crown chakra. You are breaking free from the old patterns or what kept you feeling stuck. You have a very strong higher or angelic support around you that is assisting you towards new motivation, new inspiration, new beginnings. Great things are aligning for you. So it's important that you go through this phase of introspection where you are being readied for what you asked for. Don't focus your energy on uncertainty. Be completely grounded in the present moment. How you show up now decides what you're going to attract in the future. This week, do not let any kind of lost opportunities, comparison, or even your own disbelief in yourself hinder your expansion. Remember that anything that shows up in the external reality is a reflection or mirror of what's within you. So reconnect with your inner power, re-own your inner power, and remember that your value is internal. Realize that you have all the power within yourself to be a conscious creator of your reality. Stay blessed.